How to find downloaded PDFs on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. Once inside the app, tap on the Browse tab located at the bottom of your screen. This section shows all your file storage locations. Now, navigate to the Favorites section and tap on the Downloads folder. Here, you can find all the files you have recently downloaded, including your PDF documents. Alternatively, go back to the Browse page and select on My iPhone. You will often find a download folder here which also contains your downloaded files. Simply tap on any PDF file to open and view its contents. Following these steps, you can easily find your downloaded PDFs on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.